How you doing?
Good.
Alright, so I made an executive decision to go on the other side of the valley and go up that road that I'm pretty positive is open to everyone. It said it was a lot of like steep canyons and steep drop-offs and stuff, so that's cool. Hopefully it'll be pretty interesting. Hopefully it reminds me of like Glacier. Glacier was very nice to ride through. Just topped off fuel. It says it's about an hour drive up until like the midway point of going up through the valley or whatever. If it is up or if it's just through, I have no idea. But if the steep drop-offs, I'm gonna say it goes up and then down. But 45 minutes from here to there isn't bad. I'm just gonna have to keep an eye on my fuel. I have definitely calmed down since my milkshake. I did find a milkshake. I mean, I'm not surprised that it was overpriced, but the thing was like $9 for like maybe a small at Dunkin' Donuts. That was kind of whack. Whatever. I'm on a vacation, I guess. Uh-oh, that's no bueno. I think I just popped my tire. Nope, maybe not. shit, Jesus. It got so cold. Holy crap. I can fog up my helmet so fast. Wow, it is like gotta be like 50 right now. Wow, get me back to the sun, Jesus. There we go, that's a lot better. Now I'm legit just in the middle of nowhere. I don't know what that was on the road, but I'm glad I didn't hit it. It's just gravel road, right? Jesus! It's getting rocky. It's still doable, but it's rocky. Holy Jesus! Whoa, Billy, dude, fucking scam me like that. Jesus. I saw your buddy Phil over there. He's still chilling. Stay at viewpoint. Well, where's the viewpoint, dude? Drive all the way down here and I can't even freaking see. Where is it? I'm at 8,000 feet right now. Damn. Oh yeah, these are rocks. Yep, that's a rock. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Viewpoint 200 feet. I have to walk? You kidding me? It's gonna look nowhere near as good on video. Blah, blah, blah. Yep. Sounds good. I don't like reading. Zion Canyon Visitor Center. The West Temple is what I'm looking at. It looks like a giant, like... Oh, God. What's that thing in... I want to say it's Greece. The giant, like, thing on top of the hill. I think it starts with a P. The giant thing that starts with a P. I keep wanting to say Polythagorium. What the fuck am I trying to say? Can't even say that anymore. Polythagorium? What? What the hell am I saying? Polyagorithm? Polyagorithm. Is that the math term that I'm thinking of? I don't know, my brain's so fried from school stuff. Oh my god, dude, you scared the shit out of me. Hello?
How's the Overlook?
Fantastic.
Is it? Are you at sunset? It's there.
Huh?
I'm watching that. You're not watching football. I'll be done in a minute. He's busy. Yeah, so you're going to start driving out of Utah? You're going to stay in Utah?
I'll probably do some hikes tomorrow, and then...
Yeah, I know.
And then after that, I'm done.
Alright, so make sure you text me when you get back, okay?
I will.
Alright, I'll talk to you later.
Alright, love ya.
Alright, love you, honey. Bye.
Bye. Give him some space, because I would like to have some fun. Or I guess I could just do a neutral thing. These are always fun. Going in neutral, boys. Here we go. Save all the momentums. Taking good practice in race lines. Just cruising, brother. Dude, my hands are freezing right now. This side of the mountain is so freezing. Oh shit. No one's behind me, right? Are we going uphill? Oh shit. Are we gonna make it? Oh man, I don't know if we're gonna make this one. Just make sure that no one's behind me each time, you know? Alright, we made it. Alright. Sweet. Sunflower. Just kidding. See, this is so much more entertaining. You just cruise. You don't have to have the engine on. But last time I did this without the engine on, the thing wanted to fucking blow up when I kicked it into gear. So I'm gonna not do that this time. Just gonna leave it on. Look at that. No engine, no problems. Look at that. Lean back, freedom. Sketchy. Open up Snapchat. Fuck. Woo! Woo! Oh god, I cracked myself up. I'm in neutral. Going down a mountain. Look at me go. Killing it. That was funny. Here we go. We're going again. Another hill. Put my sunglasses back on. Wow, that looks incredible. Nice. Where's this fucking thing? Looks about right here. I would love to do that on my own camera. Oh yeah, go like 4 miles an hour. And that full blast, baby. We're in neutral. Neutral. I don't know what the roads are like right now. It's kind of scary, actually. Woo! Woo! Oh, shit. I cracked myself up. Neutral rides are always fun. Shit, I gotta turn. Whoop! Whee! Whee! Shit, might have to end it now. Fuck. Shit, I don't know if I'm gonna make it up the hill. Shit! No! Come on! Make it! Come on! Alright, that was a negative. God damn it. So almost at it. That looks cool. See, this is like a perfect scene of where I wish I had the tripod for the camera so I could just record myself going down here, but I don't. I guess these guys found their camping spot or something. Or is that a horse trailer? Whatever, same thing. Something is crawling on the top of my helmet. I think it was a dead bug. I don't know. Something's right there though. What the fuck is it? It's just going to neutral again. It's more fun this way. Just neutral it up. It's so cool how it's like you can clearly see the water like changing or the different layers of rock, and then on top of that you can see the different like the trees and stuff being angled. The moon looks cool. Get to the hill. Now I got people behind me that I gotta worry about too, so can't go that slow. Sunflower! Just kidding. It's so tempting though. It's like a giant cliff. Still going. We are still going. Oh, like the canyon. Oh, cool. So we're driving on that. Cool beans, man. Cool beans. All right. Camping around here. Not a bad spot actually. When they say you would fall, you can reach nothing at all. Hide your tracks beneath the line of a different frame of mind. Is that what you heard? Broken words in the dirt, yelling out to the sun. Here we come, here we come. See anything. Oh, Jesus.
With Punch's digital punch cards, you'll earn freebies without the hassle of paper punch cards. You can also...